Promote nail growth at home. A lot of people, especially females, love having fast-growing or long nails. Long nails tend to enhance the beauty of the hands. Nails are made of the same protein, called keratin, as that of hair. Fingernails grow faster than toenails, although growth is still very slow. On average, fingernails grow about 1/10 of an inch each month. But sometimes they grow even slower. Several factors contribute to slow nail growth. These include the aging process, hormonal changes in the body, health problems, chemotherapy, medications and nutritional deficiencies. These contributory factors could also lead to splitting of nails, nail breakage, brittle nails and other nail problems. On the other hand, faster nail growth can be seen among children prior to puberty and pregnant women. If you want to grow nails fast, the first thing you must do is learn to take better care of them. We've put together some home remedies to grow nails faster. Keep watching to know how you can get shinier, stronger and better looking nails, fast. Eggshells. Most of us throw the eggshells after eating the egg thinking they are not useful. However, not many of us know that these eggshells are rich in proteins, iron, calcium and other minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are very essential for the nail growth. The way in which you can use eggshells to make your nails grow faster are as follows. Take the eggshells, crush them and put them in a blender. Add almonds or flax seeds with the eggshells to the blender. Blend the eggshells till you get a powder. You can store this powder in an airtight container to be used whenever required. Take 1 teaspoon of the powder with warm milk each morning. Follow this home remedy of using eggshell for at least 1 month and you will see the changes in your nails where they start growing faster and will become healthy and strong in a natural way. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful ingredient used widely in treatment for many health problems due to its antiprotozoal properties, antimicrobial and anti-tumor effects. It is also known as one of home remedies for nail growth. More exactly, it protects your nails against infection due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, provides the best condition for the nail to develop. Garlic is also a good one for your nail health and beauty. Cut garlic cloves in half and rub them on your nails. Keep for a few minutes to absorb. Blend a few cloves of garlic to get a paste and apply it to the nails for 5 minutes. Apply this remedy for a week to achieve the expected result. Flaxseeds. Oil. Flax seeds are known to have high omega-3 content and are considered as an excellent home remedy to treat various hairs and nail problems. Flax seeds also contain vitamin B, magnesium, potassium, lecithin, which is essential for growth of nails. The experience by several individuals suffering with slow nail growth suggests suffering with slow nail growth when consumed regularly. Flax seeds are also very healthy as they help prevent nails from cracking, splitting, drying or brittleness. Heat up some flaxseed oil till it gets lukewarm. Massage this warm flaxseed oil into your nails and cuticles for about 5 minutes. Keep your hands covered at night with gloves, so the flaxseed oil can get absorbed more quickly and this will also prevent stains to the bedclothes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.